Hey, I am gonna be making a ghost latte. I'm gonna make a PSL, a pumpkin spice latte that is very seasonal and very fun, and I'm gonna try out that trend. So we're gonna start with some marshmallow cream, and you take the back of a spoon and you put your marshmallow cream on the spoon. You have to have a clear cup, and we're gonna just start to make our ghosts. The good thing is ghosts can be any shape, right? Ooh, that one looks a little like one of the ghosts from Casper. Is a little baby ghost. There, those are our ghosts. Now we have to make their faces. So let's make these ghosts cute. So that one's smiley. This one is going to be surprised. And this one is going to have some funny teeth. And there's a little one here. He's cute. All right, there's our ghosts. Now we are going to make the actual coffee drink. So I'm using this Dunkin' cold brew. It's a concentrate. So I don't know, I'm probably using 5 ounces of that. I'll add a little water, and I'm gonna add this, whoa. This is my new favorite thing. It's cold foam. It's a pumpkin pie spice international delight cold foam. And then I'm trying to keep track of how many servings I get from this can, which is helpful. That's probably 2 servings. Okay, I'm gonna wanna stir this and add some ice. Look at these ghosts. How cute. This is my ghost latte. Now we'll try it. Delicious.